So now what I'm gonna look at, it's the doghouse. I want to know what's under there, what kind of capacitor, if they change all the bank, they just change one. Let's see, maybe a surprise. Oops. Last screws. Let's see. Is it some under else? No. Stuck. Woo! Oh, what's that? This is just a glue tape, I think. Original. What the fuck are those? It's already the mud one? It's all damp, like wet a bit. It's glue. Yuck. Crust. The fuck are those? Try like a scraping tool or something. Oh, damn, I don't want to move them too much. It's all glued down. Okay. Good. Let's put that down here. Crap. Just can put it all on the one side. This. Okay, scratch a bit here. This. So what's under here? Wow. Take some alcohol and clean it, but I'm gonna scrub the big part. To start with. And dry. Two. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just. This one's better. I didn't really see on the site, on a YouTube video, some stuff put on the doghouse like that, on the capacitor. Protection for the top, and it's weird. Mandori. So here I'm going to check with the multimeter. Let's see if I have something. If I check the cap. So capacitance. Oh, there's a plus. There's a plus. Huh, plus minus. Okay. Dun, dun, dun.
Easy.
Yeah? Yeah, 109.
It's tight. It's a wide car.
Nothing. Oh. Yep. Just 16. Third time.
No. You guys are getting
116. The other one, the plus.
Okay, so there's going to be a sharp load here as the whole car is on the ramp. It's not there yet.
11, 111.
That might have been the greatest.
11.5. Boom.
Should start to unload now that we're getting the front wheels off the incline.
4.
So we might be over the worst of it. It's looking pretty good. Ooh, I don't know if I want to be right here. Next to the mechanism, the snappy bits. I don't really want to be in this area here. If something happened with this cable, there's no way I could stop this car from rolling back. It'd be impossible. I would have to just watch it wreck. Should be less and less.
Plus on top.
As we're getting closer, the cable's trying to ride up the edge because I don't have the cable guard, the guide installed, which is this thing in here. There's very little load on the winch now, and I can kick it over and center. That's how I steer this. I kick the bar back and forth as I retract it. What I did is I forgot to unlock the deadbolt on this. It needs to be unlocked from the outside. So cool. So I locked the door and I don't have a way out. Sweet. Okay, so
So if I'm looking at the cap from close, yeah, it's discharged. So here you can see a poke. So this cap was the 16. This is the 11, 111.